Hello everyone. Today I have a video of a Dockside Sales Extended Life. It's a mouthful. Anyway, ceiling fan that I got at the Habitat, and it's pretty cool looking. Has a little bit of some tarnishings there. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do to fix that. Although it's not super noticeable if you're not looking for it. The motor of the fan looks actually quite nice, and it's a different metal from everything else. It's not magnetic, so I don't know if that's brass or aluminum or what it is, but it's in a lot better shape than the rest of the fan. I polished up the blades, and if I can get a nice reflection on there, you can see they're nice and shiny, which I like. And they are real wood. I believe they are veneer, but they are real wood. So that's nice. Here is the badge on top of the fan. If I can get a still enough. Come on, focus. There you go. See? Never heard of that name before. Let me see if I can find it. I have, maybe not. Okay, well, I don't have the original mounting bracket for this, so I converted it to ball and socket for the time being. It's a strange system. Oh, here it is. Here's what's left of the thing. This would have gone, this is difficult one-handed, sorry. Alright, like that. And then the right there, where I'm pointing with my thumb, would be the down rod of the fan, right in the middle. I don't know what type of mounting system that is. I've never seen it before. It could be a double claw, but then it would only rotate one. It would only rotate one way if it sways. I don't know why my camera isn't focusing today. Anyway, all right. So let's start on low. Sorry, that was on medium. There we go. Alright. I'll let it spin up. It's 52-inch. The blades need to be adjusted a little bit. Two are slightly warped and two aren't, so I need to get it to where the two are warped on the same side, and the ones that aren't warped on, or I should say opposite sides, would make a little more sense. Alright, let's go to medium. It's a decent air mover. And high. See, it's a little bit wobbly, not much, just a little bit. All right, and we'll do spin down. This fan is very heavy for a little top mount. Well, I shouldn't say little, it's big. Top mount spinner. Oops, sorry, my finger was in the way there. Oh, also another thing, as you can see, there is a light now up on the fan, so you can see a little better. And there's lights back here, but I don't think they do too much. I quite like this fan. I think the polished brass and blade, I'm not sure what stain they are, but they go nice together with the stencil. Of course the stencil's faded, but that's how it is. Alright. Okay, thanks for watching.